welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing I have a purchase from Joann. It's a puzzle, and I have some 3D like adult miniature Lego kits. So kind of like a puzzle also from Temu. So I'm going to show you what I got. Let's get into what we got at Joann since it's just one item. I got this. As you remember, if you saw the video from Hobby Lobby, I bought a puzzle. It was a 500 piece puzzle with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, the classic cartoon or animated cartoon. And it's a really cute puzzle, but for 500 pieces and a person that hasn't done a puzzle in a very long time, needless to say, it's been very difficult to try to complete. It's just sitting on the table in the basement in the living room. So I went with this one, which is 300 pieces. The puzzle pieces seem a little bit bigger. This is the actual size. So they're a little bit bigger, and there's not an overwhelming amount of detail in this puzzle. It's more simplistic. So this is the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas 300 piece puzzle set. So I think I got this for $9 at Joann's. So yeah, let's move on to Temu. I got some miniature Lego sets from Temu because honestly, me and Julio didn't really want to get into puzzles. We're not much of puzzle people. But we wanted to do the Lego sets. So here is one of the sets I got. It's a coffee shop with pandas. It's really cute. Comes in this nice box. I mean, the boxes were all kind of tattered when they got shipped to me, but I don't expect anything else from Temu. So yeah, that's the first one. I don't really want to take everything out. I mean, in case you don't know what miniature Legos look like. They look like regular Legos, but everything is super tiny. I really don't recommend this for a child unless they're above a certain age. I mean, I would not give this to like a 6-year-old child to do. I would not give this to my stepson who is 6. He would not get it. And there's parts that they can choke on. So not a smart idea. The older, the better. I bought this one. This is it's an ice cream shop. I think this is super adorable. And it's from the same brand as the panda. Then, of course, they covered it with a sticker. And you can't see the big picture, but this is the Bricks brand. I got cinnamon roll, and for some reason now we can't see. They stuck a sticker on everything, but it's cinnamon roll on a scooter. So you guys know what cinnamon roll looks like already from my channel. So it's a little white bear or bunny. I don't know what, puppy. I think it's a puppy. With the long ears on a little scooter. But these are the other ones that you can get too. I don't know if there's a Hello Kitty. And I don't know how many pieces. I mean, it's all written in Asian. So I hope and I pray these come with like video tutorial instructions somewhere. These are micro blocks. Same thing. This is a donut shop. Just had to have this one because for my love of donuts. But as you can see, they're just, I mean, look at compared to my finger. These are very tiny blocks. And this is the same brand as these. I got a fruit shop. It's a little with a little watermelon on top. I thought this was super cute. But see, look how tiny these are compared to my finger. Petite blocks. Fruit shop. And then the last one I got was a Hello Kitty. Just had to have Hello Kitty too. So you build her. See, yeah, ages 14 and up. So yeah, the older the better. This is 344 pieces, this one. These are miniature building blocks. And these are the other ones. See, if you don't know what cinnamon roll is, that's cinnamon roll right there. But these are the other ones you can get. I don't know if I ordered the cinnamon roll one, but I need to. So that's it for my puzzles and Legos. Just looking for other things to do that I can do with Julio when I am not crocheting or coloring or diamond painting or doing my nails. I'm looking for like not necessarily a craft, but you know, like an activity that I can do, that I can share and do with him, kind of like so we can spend time together. Because, you know, when I crochet and I diamond paint, you know, I'm kind of doing everything by myself. He's not really involved. So it's a solo type of deal. So I'm trying to look for something for us to do together. I figured puzzles and miniature Lego sets would be really, really perfect because we can work on them together and spend some nice quality time together. I think that would be nice, especially during the Christmas season. When he's not working. I think that would be really perfect. I can't wait to work on the Legos. I will definitely show you guys, if we complete a Lego, I'll show you a completion of what the Lego set looks like and give you know, post review and let you know if I found them easy or hard to do, were there instructions inside, were there video tutorial instructions inside. And yeah, I'll just give you the 411 on all of them when I complete them. So anyways, if you are new here and you're enjoying the content, keep stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the video today. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.